Setting multiple take profits on TradingView is a useful strategy for traders looking to maximize their gains and minimize their losses. To start, open your TradingView account and navigate to the chart of the asset you want to trade. Click on the Pine Editor button at the bottom of the screen to open the Pine Editor window. In the Pine Editor window, create a new strategy by clicking on the New button and selecting Strategy from the drop-down menu. This will open a new strategy template where you can define your trading logic. To set multiple take profits, you will need to use the strategy take_profit function. The strategy take_profit function takes three arguments. The first is the percentage of the take profit, the second is the limit price, and the third is the order ID. For example, to set a take profit at 5%, you would use the following code. Strategy take_profit 0.05, limit equals close, comment equals take profit 1 inch. To set multiple take profits, you can simply call the strategy take_profit function multiple times with different percentage values. For example, to set take profits at 5%, 10%, and 15%, you would use the following code. Strategy take_profit 0.05, limit equals close, comment equals take profit 1 inch. Strategy take_profit 0.10, limit equals close, comment equals take profit 2 inches. Strategy take_profit 0.15, limit equals close, comment equals take profit 3 inches. It is also important to set a stop loss to limit your potential losses. You can use the strategy stop_loss function to set a stop loss at a certain percentage below your entry price. For example, to set a stop loss at 5%, you would use the following code. Strategy stop_loss 0.05, limit equals close, comment equals stop loss. Once you have defined your trading logic, you can add the strategy to your chart by clicking on the Add to Chart button. This will display the take profit and stop loss levels on your chart, allowing you to visualize your trading strategy. It is also important to backtest your strategy using historical data to evaluate its performance. You can do this by clicking on the Backtest button in the Pine Editor window. This will display the results of your backtest, including the profit and loss of your strategy. By following these steps, you can set multiple take profits on TradingView and create a trading strategy that helps you achieve your financial goals. Remember to always use proper risk management techniques, such as setting stop losses, to limit your potential losses. With practice and patience, you can become a successful trader using TradingView.